Hey, welcome to this Windows channel, and today we're going to have in this tips and tricks video a talk about the recycle bin. You know what, the recycle bin is something that for a lot of people is mysterious, and it isn't that mysterious basically. It's a very simple idea that is actually quite good and really useful. Basically, the recycle bin, when you erase a file, it goes into the recycle bin. That people know. And the question I get asked all the time is, why is there a recycle bin? And it's annoying to have to empty it. Well, it isn't that annoying. It's actually useful. The reason for the recycle bin is very simple. The reason for the recycle bin is the same thing that you have a trash can. When you throw out something and suddenly you think about it and you say, whoa, I threw out something that I actually need. Well, what do? You go in your trash can and you search for it. It happened to probably everybody once or twice or maybe several times. You threw out something, you suddenly think, well, I shouldn't have thrown out. You go back in the trash can and you just try to find it. Well, the recycle bin is there for that. When you erase something, so let's see here, I'll delete this video, for example. Here we go. The trash can actually changes from a transparent trash can to something that looks like it's full of little bits of paper. And that's to tell you, first of all, visually, that something's in the trash can. So two states of the trash can are available. The one with the little bits of paper, and if I actually restore, the other state is empty trash can. You can see through it. You see there's no little bits of paper over it. The trash can is there to give you a second chance. When you throw out something, you can actually go back and restore it, thanks to the fact that the trash can is your last little hope before it's permanently deleted. Now, by permanently, yes, I know a lot of people out there are going to say, no, it's not true. It is technically deleted, but technically still there. And you'll see why. I'll do a second video after this one, another one about going a little farther away if you mistaken or if you did, an error and you deleted from the recycle bin something you really needed. I'll show you how you can actually get it back using software. But for most people, this is the end. If you empty the recycle bin by right clicking on it and clicking empty recycle bin, it's going to ask you, do you really want to delete the files? You'll say yes, and it's gone. This is deleted. Now, if you have deleted stuff and that you think you maybe need them back, what's nice is you can go in the recycle bin and restore the items. So what you do is you simply double click on the recycle bin. And one of the options will be restore all items, or if you click only the one that you want, restore the selected item. So two options available. You can restore all items, meaning that everything you deleted will go back to its original space, and that's also a nice feature of the recycle bin. Not only does it restore it, but it goes back to the original spot where it was in your computer. So that's where you'll find everything that you restore. So if I click restore all items, it says, do you want to restore all the items in the recycle bin? I say yeah. And if I look on my desktop, you see that the two videos that I just deleted are back on my desktop. So that's why it exists, and that's why it's very useful to have recycle bin. A lot of people don't actually know how to use these features in the recycle bin, and it's very easy. So basically, two things that you're gonna happen. You can, of course, like I said, delete stuff. So for example, if I delete this file, and then you can empty the recycle bin. If you know that everything's inside it is not, you're not going to use it anymore, it's not useful for you, you right click on the recycle bin, empty recycle bin, and you click yes, and it's gone. But the other option, if you've deleted something that you need, then you can double click, go in the recycle bin, and restore the selected item. So if you have many items, you can just click one and restore the selected item, or click restore all items if you want to restore everything back to its original position. So that's as simple as that. The recycle bin is there to make sure that if you did erase by mistake or delete by mistake a file, a folder, well, you can still have a chance at restoring it back. If you enjoy the videos, why not subscribe to my channel? You'll be informed when new videos are online. If you have any comments, questions, anything you want to know about Windows, about PCs, if you have a problem, share it with us and we'll try to help you if we can. We'll try to explain in simple terms how to use your Windows 10 PC. If you enjoy our videos, why not subscribe? You'll be informed when new videos are online. If you like our videos, why not give us thumbs up? It helps us in the ratings on YouTube. And thank you for watching.